My name is Rihanna Garcia. I've lived in Ucluelet my whole life. It's a great place to grow up. I think the beaches and the ocean are the most beautiful thing about this place, and I think they need to be preserved. Yeah, I learned that being an interpreter was a job. That also appealed to a lot of people, I think, if they knew that it was a job opportunity for them. Also kayaking, I didn't know that that was such a lucrative business. It's good to have that information given to you by adults that have made a career out of this. I feel like I really want to go to university, but I feel some way every day that I come out here, I feel like I'm going to be back. And I think more people should think about jobs not just in the city, but also on the beautiful West Coast area.